Mm-hmm.
No, Noah turned it off, so she wants it on. I'm gonna play ABC. Okay, it's gonna play ABC in a minute.
Oh.
That's your book? Book? Mm-mm.
1, 2, 3.
You want to read it? Fish book. Little fish, big fish. Lots of fish, dots on fish. Shiny fish. Yeah. What? Read again. Fish book. Little fish, big fish. Lots of fish, dots on fish. Shiny fish.
Try. Does not.
Noah. More. Read it
I'll
again.
read it for you.
No, put the balloon down. Go put it down if you want to read it to her.
Yeah.
Fish book.
I put it down.
Okay.
Fish book.
He's going to read it to you.
Little fish, big fish. Lot of fish, dots on fish, shiny fish.
Yay. Go get me a book off the bookshelf and I'll read that. Can you get me a book off the bookcase? Oh. All done, yeah. You can get me another one though. Oh, brother got me a Mickey one. You want me to read the Mickey one? Oh, it's Mickey, Rach. You want to read Mickey? And there's Minnie. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? You want me to read this one? See, it's a book. Do you see? Oh, it has songs. Oh, you would like this. I forgot.
I want to hear your announcement.
Oh, good.
What's your
yes.
phone conversation?
Okay.
Can I hear it?
Broke your Christian school business. Noah speaking. What are you doing? Why did you turn this light on? Did you hear it?
Did I hear one?